In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your CapCut user ID quickly and easily. This is a simple but useful tip if you need to share your account details, troubleshoot your profile, or just check your CapCut information for future use. If this tutorial helps, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and make sure you're on the home screen. Once you're inside CapCut Home, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You should see your user profile icon there. This is usually the small profile image or account icon that represents your logged in account. Now click that user profile icon. As soon as you do, a new window will pop up with your account details. In that window, look right next to your username. You'll see your CapCut ID displayed there. That is the user ID you're looking for. So to recap, the fastest way to find your CapCut user ID is to go to the home screen, click the profile icon in the top left, and then check the pop-up window next to your username. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.